So here I am in the red 124 trying to run out the fuel once again. Got the air conditioner going, though it's only about 23 degrees today, so it's not exactly working hard. One thing I have noticed, which I didn't realise before, this rickety old speedometer, although the needle wobbles around, it's ridiculously accurate. It's like more accurate than a modern car. Someone has obviously calibrated it in the past, because when tested against GPS apps on the phone, it's actually accurate to the exact kilometre per hour, which I just think is insane for something that's 30 years old and baked and rattling around like it does. It's absurd. I might actually have to pull this instrument cluster apart and try and fix that wobbling needle. I don't know if they'll pick on me for that at the inspection. I guess we'll find out soon, because that day is coming rather shortly. In any case, I will just continue running out this fuel until it's under a quarter of a tank. I really need to get rid of it. It's more than a year old now. And I also want to drop that run-in oil and see what that looks like, and put in some fresh, full synthetic oil, which is what it will be running from that point forward for the rest of its life. And on the subject of my home wheel alignment that I've done, yes, I still suck, but not as much as the professionals did. I think if I toe in the front right wheel by about 1 degree, I should be just about bang on, because it's actually driving straight as well with minor corrections only. So, yeah, I probably don't need to get another professional alignment. I probably can fix this myself. Time to do a bit of a light throttle first gear start in the 722.3, because I desperately want to get rid of some of this fuel, and it's taking longer than I expected for that bloody needle to move. Let's go. I'm not going to hammer it, because, yeah, it's... about 1.5 centimetres on that accelerator pedal. As you saw, that first gear upshifted way before the red line, so it's quite nice and responsive, but we already know that. Still no movement on that needle. It has momentarily dipped below a quarter. I will just keep driving. There was another car coming, so I had to put the camera down, unfortunately. And again. Holy shit. That was 2 centimetres on the accelerator pedal. Back to 1 to 1.5 centimetres. Needless to say, this thing, bloody hell, it's a rocket. I can't wait to take it for a decent drive. I may well install the shift modification kit and do the permanent first gear start mod, because, wow, it's going to be quite a weapon if it has the permanent first gear start. I mean, it's pretty rapid even with second gear start, but wow, that's something else when it does the first gear start. And I'm not even pushing it hard. As I said, I've done a maximum of 2 centimetres pressure on the accelerator pedal. I haven't run it in yet, so I can't really floor it. Although, maybe I should. No, I won't until the synthetic oil is in there. Good thing is the fuel level is finally going down. So it needed some enthusiastic driving, and that's what it's got today. I think I'm happy with that level, and I'm now going to change out this run-in oil, and we'll see what that looks like. Fortunately, with the seasons changing, I don't have to worry about blue-black being left in the sun anymore, so I don't need to park it blocking the garage door to my shed. So I can park it in this position, which allows me easy access to red when I want to take it for a drive. And I'm going to change the oil once this cools down. I'll probably end up doing it tomorrow. I'll run out of time for today. I don't want to burn myself, so I'll do it when it's nice and cool. And I'll show you what it looks like anyway.